Hi guys, my name is Maurice Umar Panduram. Today's our topic is that the difference between Java and JavaScript. First, when we discuss the what is mean by Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Has a virtual machine platform that allows you to create the compiled programs the run on the nearly every platform. The Java promised write once, run anywhere. There are many features of the Java language. First one is the platform independent. Second one is the object oriented programming language. Third one is the simple. Fourth one is the robust. Fifth one is the secure, and sixth one is the distributed, and seventh is the multi-threading. And the second one is the JavaScript. JavaScript is the lightweight programming language or a scripting language, and is used to make web pages interactive. It can be insert dynamic text into HTML. JavaScript is also known as the browser's language. JavaScript is not similar or related to Java. Both they are language have a C-like syntax and are the widely used in a client side and the server side web application. But there are few similarities only. The main difference of the Java and JavaScript. The Java language. The Java is the programming language and the JavaScript is the scripting language. And the second one is the Java is an pure object oriented programming language, and the JavaScript is the object based programming language. The third one is the Java is a standalone programming language. JavaScript is not a standalone language, as it needs to be integrated into an HTML program for execution. And the Java is a strongly language, which means that the user has to decide the data type of the variable before declaring and using it. And the JavaScript is a loosely typed language, which means that the user does not type of the does not have worry about the data type of the variable before and after the declaration. And the fourth one is the Java program should be compiled before the execution, and the JavaScript needs to be integrated into the HTML program for the execution. Next one, the web browser is not required in the Java programs, and the web browser is essential to run the JavaScript programs. The next one is Java is one of the complex language to learn, and the JavaScript it is one of the easy language to learn. Thank you.